friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making lemon pepper baked chicken wings. For this easy recipe, all we need is chicken wings, lemon pepper seasoning, and butter. And before making this video, I preheated the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. And here I have a baking sheet lined with parchment paper for baking and easy cleanup. So I'm going to brush the chicken wings with melted butter and sprinkle them with lemon pepper seasonings and bake. That's all there is to this easy recipe. So I already melted butter in the microwave. So here I have my melted butter. And I'm going to brush wings with butter on both sides and season them on both sides. And this was 2 tablespoons of butter. So now I will toss it with lemon pepper seasoning. And now let's flip the wings over and do another side. So now once you season the wings, let's put them on a baking sheet. And now let's put lemon pepper wings in the oven and bake. So the oven is preheated to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Now the wings are done baking. So at 425 degrees Fahrenheit, they were baking for 35 minutes and now they're ready. Look at these chicken wings. They look amazing. So nicely browned and perfectly cooked. Now let's try the lemon pepper wings. I'm so excited about trying them. Let's try it. Crispy skin. And tender inside and cut so easily. Try it. These wings are delicious. So good, crispy skin, seasoned perfectly with lemon pepper seasoning. You'll like them, and they're so easy to make. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com, And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!